Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I wanted to show you that once you ignite your fire roll, there's absolutely no rush. I want to take a half a cotton ball, fill it with wood ashes. Any wood ashes will do. Go ahead and ignite these leaves, shake what's left of the ember out, come show you what's left, and then ignite the pine needles. Should be no issues at all, and there'll be no edits in this video. If something is taking longer than usual, I won't edit out anything, but I will go to double speed. And I don't want these pieces of char in there. So, although that char will fire roll. And the table I'm calling my bottom board. You'll want some wood ash on your bottom board, which will get on the fire roll and transfer to the top board. This is just a piece of white oak that I split out and then whittled the bottom nice and flat. Do visit my fire roll playlist. There's all kinds of tutorials in there. We'll give you step-by-step ways to be successful at the cotton and wood ash fire roll. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. Leaves are damp, they're straight off the ground. Oh, it's hard to look smooth sometimes, you know it. Now when you have a weak ember like this, I like to hold everything good and tight. Right in my hands, it helps to make the most of the heat transfer. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.